to Grenoble, flight number 3249. Please proceed immediately to gate 11.
Dernier appel pour le reste des passagers du vol EasyJet. Départ à destination de Grenoble numéro 3249.
Last call for the remaining passengers of Ryanair departure to Budapest, flight number 1017. Please proceed immediately to gate 28.
That's the way I see it. I used to like to see that way. When you said it, it's like
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your person, Kevin Bedrini speaking. On behalf of the cabin crew, I would like to welcome you on board this Airbus A320 of Edelweiss. This flight is being operated in cooperation with Swiss. Our flight to Zurich should take approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes. The whole crew wishes you a very pleasant flight.
May we have your attention, please, for the following presentation about safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you.
gentlemen, please note that smoking on board, including the lavatories, is forbidden. This also applies to the use of e-cigarettes, as well as smoking imitating and alternative products. For safety reasons, you are required to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, or seatbelt sign is switched on. If you need to open the overhead bins during the flight, please do this carefully as object could fall out. If you would like to change your assigned seat, please contact our cabin crew beforehand. Meine Damen und Herren, wir haben unseren Sinkflug in Richtung Zürich begonnen. Wir bitten Sie, Platz zu nehmen, Ihr Handgepäck zu verstauen, sowie Ihre Sitzgurte wieder zu schließen. Das Benutzen der Toiletten ist ab jetzt nicht mehr gestattet. An dieser Stelle möchten wir Sie an die Möglichkeit erinnern, einen Beitrag für Sozialhilfsprojekte an unsere Feriendestinationen zu spenden. Dazu können Sie den Papierbeutel in der Sitztasche nutzen, der Kabinenbesatzung persönlich abgeben. Besten Dank. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we are going to land. We kindly ask you to stow away your tables, to place your seat back in upright position, and to open the window blinds. If you have a connecting flight in Zurich, you can find the details on the video screens. This information is constantly updated. Aufenthalt hier in Zürich und eine gute Weiterreise. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen. Welcome to Zurich, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the airplane has reached its final parking position and the fastened seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please take care when opening the overhead bins as subject may fall out. The restricted use of mobile phone is now permitted again. Captain Luca Weber and his crew would like to say goodbye to you. We hope you have enjoyed this flight and look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. This flight has been selected for customer satisfaction survey so that we can continuously improve. We will distribute this survey to you when you disembark. Once a month, all participants will be entered into a draw to win an Edelweiss short or medium haul flight for 2 people in the business class. We would like to thank you in advance for your feedback. On behalf of the Edelweiss crew, I wish you a very pleasant stay in Zurich or a good continuation of your journey. Thank you for flying with us and goodbye.
Lassen Sie Ihr Gepäck unbeaufsichtigt. Bemerken Sie verdächtige Aktivitäten oder unbeaufsichtigte Gegenstände.